Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In the previous video we have created this function as you can see here, and if you come into below and you will see this function here which we have created in our previous video. And guys, if you see here, this is the variable. So by default we are giving it a variable name where but it's okay, but if you change it integer, so it will be more clear that this variable is integer type. Or else you can write variable, because Dart language is smart language, automatically deduct which types of this variable. If you write variable, so Dart will automatically deduct it's a boolean or integer or string. So that's okay, but write here integer like this. Now come here in this function. So today in this video we will work inside this function. So here we will have to write our maps, and we will write all data here which we are going to save in our Firestore Firebase Firestore I mean. So here first of all let's create map. A map, it will be type of string and dynamic, and then the name of this map will be add data. Now brackets, now curly bracket equals to curly bracket like this, put semicolon here. Now inside this we have to create all strings and variables which we are getting from user. So here first of all username will be equals to this dot username, comma, then again will be user phone will be this dot user phone, and then after this products cost, this dot item cost, comma, then products color, this dot item color, comma, then product model this dot item model, comma, and then and here after this username user ID we have to get it also. So auth dot current user dot uid, comma, like this, and make it put here exclamation like this, it's null safety like this exclamation here. Then after this we have description, and it will be in this dot description, comma. Now this data is about products and users, like username, user ID, user phone number, I means the advertiser, and the item cost which the user will upload, item color, item model, all these fields we are saving in our database so that we can retrieve it and display on our application screen. So now here we will save images. So right here this URL image1 and URL list to string, then again copy paste 2-3 times like this, and change this is the image1, image2, and here write 1 because index start from 0, so this image1 will be start from 0 index, and here write 2, here 3, and then one more time paste this, and here will be 4 and change this name 3 4 and this is the 5, like this. Make sure write all these in a accurate like this as I wrote here. So now after this we will get user profile. So here get user profile image will be get user image URL comma, then here we will get the data about address. So now before creating next variables here, I mean to get another next data, we have to create some variables. So come here in the global variables, you can find your here screen. So I am opening the global variable dot here. So after this here we have to declare some variables. So string full address equals to null, and then list place mark equal to place marks, like this, and position will be position. Now it's showing error here because we did not add the dependencies about the location, geocoding and geolocator, and the time also. So for that we have to add a dependency to get the location of user, so that we can get the location, current location of our user. When the user will upload advertisement, so we will fetch the location of user, current location I mean. So for that come here, come to the Google and write here pubdev, and first one dot packages, and write here geo coding first, enter geocoding, this one first one, click on it, installing here, copy this dependency, this one, come back to the Android Studio, pubspec YML file, and above here this one, after this paste it here and make it proper like this. Here no space, no more space, like this in accurate line. So geocoding, now come back to the Google again, go to back and write here geolocator, enter, you will see this geolocator, click on it, installing, copy this geolocator dependency, come back to the Android Studio, and here inside this pubspec, after this geocoding paste it here and make it proper like this. Now we need one more dependency for time, so that we can get the time of user, the current time, which time the user or advertiser posts the advertisement. So now come here and type here int intel, like this, enter, click on this intel, installing, click this dependency, copy this, come to the Android Studio, and after this geo paste it here like this. Now click on pubget here. Now it exit code 0, it successfully. Now close this pubspec, and now come here, click on this, and after this put question mark and click on it, import this library package geocoding, this one. Now you can see the error has gone, same position, click on it, import library package and geocoding, as you can see geocoding and geolocator, and this position make it nullable, click on it, and put here question mark like this. Then after come here, so we will add here more data. So here, so address will be, so address will be our variable which we have created here. As you can see, this one full address, this is the variable. So now write here full address, this one, comma. After this we will take the latitude longitude of user. So here write let and position, this one which we have created in global variable, this one. Now comma let all lang, I means longitude will be position. Now after this position dot latitude, and here position on longitude like this, and comma, and it's showing error. Click on it and can see this red bulb, add check now, add a null check like this, same like this. Now we will add time, the current time of advertiser, so date time. Now this one, comma, that's all. So all these things we are going to save in our Firestore Firebase. Here Firebase Firestore, I means in the backend, and all these things we will display in our application screen which the user will upload. Make it, remove this blank space like this. Now we have created this upload function, as you can see in the below here, and we are giving this loop here, for loop, for while loop, and we are getting the user image and all the storage for this user advertisement. Now you can see here inside this function we are getting all these things, and we may create a map here, and map name is add data. So now here, come here, after this write here Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection, and collection name will be products, which will show in our database, dot add data, and data name will be this one, add data, this one, add data dot, then remove this, put two curly brackets, put the end column, semicolon. Inside this we will print a statement like this, print data added success, put semicolon, and then navigator dot push, route will be material page route, and remove this builder and write here context. After this we have to pass our product screen, product page I mean, and put semicolon at the end, and then remove this and write here catch error, put two round brackets and write here error, and put two curly braces, and at the end semicolon, and here simply print an error. If something goes wrong we will print this, so write here error. That's all. So I hope you understand what I did actually here. We are saving all these information to our Firebase Firestore, Firebase database, all these things, username, UID, user phone number, everything, and after that we will display this to our screen, product page screen, this one which we have passed here. So guys, see you guys in the next video. We will continue this. Thank you. Bye bye.